This terminal is writing my next YouTube video. Right now. No editor, no timeline, one skill. Every video on this channel, script, animation, voice, thumbnail, is built by Claude skills. This is the exact stack and how the pieces hand off. Here's the problem with prompting AI. You explain everything, get something decent, and tomorrow you start from zero. That reset loop is why most AI content looks like slop. A skill fixes the reset. It's a folder. Instructions, references, scripts that teaches Claude your craft once and loads itself whenever that job shows up. For video, I run a relay of 6, and the order is half the secret. First, ideation. Overnight, it watched 200 YouTube videos, computed which ones beat the algorithm, and ranked what to make next. It flagged one format punching 9 times above its channel size. We're making that one. Second, the screenplay skill. The idea becomes a shot-by-shot plan, every scene, camera move, and sound cue mapped to the exact frame. This document is the video before a single pixel exists. Third, copywriting. Every line gets rewritten until it survives 5 critics: a skeptic, an expert, a scroller, a competitor, and an editor. Now the part that breaks brains, there is no editing timeline. Every scene is code, animating on a frame counter. Change one line, the video changes. Then one command renders the whole thing, every scene, every transition, every frame. 2 skills left, and the last one has veto power. But first, sound. The voice is one continuous generated take, and every sound effect lands on the exact frame its motion fires. The thumbnail is a skill too. It designs the layout, generates the backdrop, and renders at double resolution so the text stays sharp. And the final skill? Before anything ships, it scores the video against a model of real brain responses. Score too low, it vetoes the upload. How that model works is a whole video of its own. But here's my favorite part. Everything you just watched, this exact video, came out of that pipeline. The terminal in the first shot, it was writing this. So which half would you hand over first? Finding the ideas or building the thing? Tell me below, I read everything. The full build, skill by skill, is on the channel. Follow for the next one.